All right, we're showcasing a fantastic freezer organizing system, and we want to show you a very cool little safety feature that's built in on all of the shelves. You'll see that there are these little cutouts like that, and if you look at the back of every shelf, there's a little catch on there. So we're going to show it to you here. You see that right there, and what that's meant for is if there's a shelf below that you pull out and it starts to tilt forward, kind of like an arresting gear on an aircraft carrier, this is meant to catch the shelf so that it doesn't tip forward with what's on there. So you see that little catch at the back, you see how it engaged? See that it's to prevent the shelf below from falling out. And so all of the shelves have that little safety catch, and all of the shelves also have that little safety mechanism at the back. So if you're looking for a great way to organize your fridge, fantastic fridge and freezer organizing system.